Today we show you how to change wallpaper in your PC, laptop, Windows 11. Okay, just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. First go to your laptop, and this is for desktop, and click with the right with your mouse and go to, like this is the last, and go the personalizing like the last again. Okay, and here. Okay guys, if you choose like this, okay, we will be changed like this, or you choose like this, you will be changed, this is a red and like this. Okay, and but if you want to change like wallpaper or something like that, okay, example like this, and we'll change maybe, okay, like this element, and I will change maybe like okay, I will choose the picture my, okay, I choose this picture and go with the right and go to this here, or we will choose like choose here, this is 1 2 3 4, okay, 4, and click. So now it's in your wallpaper. Don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.